how to create your own Shopify store within 15 minutes. So in this lecture I will discuss how easily you will open your Shopify store within 15 minutes, step by step. Let's do, and let's see what I'm teaching right now. How to use Shopify step by step guideline. This is the basic guideline efforts I'm making. Yes, so it's no longer that we think Shopify is a great e-commerce platform. There is a reason why it's tops our list. So first you understand the importance of Shopify, that it is most likely the phenomenal effort they are making in this software. Yes, takes a few minutes. With a few mouse clicks and a little typing you can get top in your online store and web. There is a reason why Shopify is such a popular platform. Perhaps the biggest reason lies in the fact that creating your first online store has never been easier. In the video below, we show you how you can step up. Either sign up to their 14 days free trial, or you can read the full Shopify review here. Here's a video created by my colleague Joy. So you can go through this one, and I just want to remove them. Actually, I don't want them in my video. The first for the most important, the first stage of your store I also easiest. In order to start your Shopify, all you need to do sign up for an account. You must navigate the sign up website and click on the get started button. Fill your desired email address, password and store name. Remember, you are going to need a choose unique name for your store, and otherwise Shopify won't allow you to purchase the domain. Yes, after you click next to tell Shopify about yourself by specifying how much you plan to sell, and if you are already selling, click on the enter my store button when complete. Yes, you will then ask your, if you like to do make a brick of motor store on an online shop store. For this tutorial we are here, we are getting to make a online shop. So select option, click next. Yes, this is a complete guideline for new add a product as your Shopify store. First, when you sign up your store and Shopify, you must sign up, and then the next process is add product. So this is a complete guideline of add products, and this is a complete literature of how you add product and how you listing them on a Shopify store. So this is complete guide. If you have any kind of queries, you may ask on my comment box, and you can go to my other videos to watch a detailed lecture on Shopify. Thank you very much.